Hey guys, welcome back to ForeverAfterReacts, aka Nick. That doesn't make sense. Today we're going to be checking out the Used, Take It Away, and the Bird and the Worm live at the Vans Warped Tour 25th anniversary in 2019. I know you guys have to like the Used, right? I mean, obviously, if you're going to be looking at this video, you like the Used. But I love both of these songs, and I don't think I've actually got the chance to see them live before. So this is kind of new to me, even though I know these songs. So that'll be cool. Also, if you guys don't mind, if you do like the video, please subscribe. I am almost to 100 by the time I'm making this video. Actually, I'm at 83 right now, and the goal is to make it to, well, I mean, 1,000 in the short-term goal. But, you know, from there on out, yeah, blah, 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 blah. But, yeah, let's check out this video.
After the torchlight red on sweaty faces, after the frosty silence in the gardens, after the agony in stony places, the shouting and the crying, prisoners' palace, and the revelation of thunder, spring over distant mountains. He who was living is now dead. We who are living are now dying with a little patience.
Already, the music quality of this is amazing. And one thing I have noticed that, I mean, I knew before because on my Pandora sometimes the live version of A Box Full of Sharp Objects comes on, and it's incredible. But his live vocals sound so freaking good. Not that his album work is not bad either, but I enjoy the live version more because there's more, I don't know, like more cracking. There's more chance of mess up, and I think not really a mess up, but you know, not a perfect sounding. I think his sounds amazing, if that makes sense in any way. I've been trying to read the back of his jersey, and is this Whitesides? I don't know what I actually thought it was like an NBA player or something. I don't know what that is.
Take my
By the way, were any of you guys at this the Warped Tour 25th anniversary? Because the last time I've been to Warped Tour, I think it was like 2015. I think I went 3 years. I think I went to 2013, 14, and 15, I think. And I haven't been since then, and now it's over. Big sad. But look at the crowd. I miss live shows so much. And videos like this make me appreciate it even more because the quality is amazing and it's still live. You can still feel the emotion, everything. You'll absolutely love it.
Safety pin to his backpack. Backpack is all that he knows. Shot down by strangers whose glances can cripple heart and devour the soul. All alone he turns to stone while holding his breath after death. Terrified of what's inside to save his life, he cries like a word from a bird. Like a word from a bird.
Does this song sound a little bit weird live? Because this is the first time I've actually heard it live. I've heard actually Take It Away live from my, I guess my Pandora, but not Bird for Word. It doesn't I don't think it transitions well to play live. I don't know. Might just be me. Oh, that's it. That's actually a pretty quick 6 minutes right there. Fat Lip. I thought that was Fat Lip as soon as I heard that riff start playing. Still, Burt McCracken is one of my favorite vocalists of all time. I love listening to him live. Even the regular songs are fine as well. I really haven't listened to, I have listened to a lot of content from The Used, but not much recently. I don't know any of their album titles, but the one with like Revolution and Evolution, I absolutely love that album. That was like different too, I thought. Not the regular sound, but their self-titled one and the taste of, I don't know. I don't know all the band or the album names, but they've been around for a very long time and relevant for a very long time. Very good, very well talented and everything. So appreciate The Used. I've actually I try to cover one of their songs, but I don't think I actually uploaded it on my band's YouTube channel. But yeah, anyways, guys, if you like this content, please, if you guys don't care, subscribe. If not, hey, no big deal. I appreciate you guys staying at least for this far. My handles are in the bottom. If there's a new single, if anything drops, you guys can let me know on any one of those. Yeah, also live streams video games on Facebook, links in the description if you guys want to check that out. Awesome. If not, hey, no big deal. Again, I appreciate you guys staying this far. I'm ForeverAfterReacts, aka Nick, and I hope you guys have a good day.